Hi everybody, it's Connie from the Danville Public Library, and today I'm going to show you the craft for this week, and it is cute. It is a turkey door hanger. So, and when you get your kit, you'll take everything out of your bag, and you have all of these pieces, lots and lots and lots of pieces. And you might think, well, Connie, that doesn't have any sticky on it. Well, don't worry, because you still don't need glue, because we have these little things to go with it. So let's start. These are your directions, and it shows you all the pieces, and it shows you what your turkey looks like when it's finished. So we're going to begin, okay? And I'm going to try to do it upside down so that you can see it. The very, very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put on the turkey feet. And we just peel this off the back. And we come right down here to the bottom, and we put one there, and we find the other. Oh, there it is. And we take the sticky off of that, and we put it right down here like that. There's your turkey's feet. Now, we need to have a turkey face. And here we have the face, the beak, and the eyes, and the gobbler. So we take our round piece like this, and we're going to take the bottom part, it's yellow, and we're going to just put it on just about like that, okay? Then we have one big eye, and we have one little eye, and our turkey is going to have a big eye and a little eye, and you could put it this way, or you could put it that way. Now the directions show you that the big one is on one side or the other, but it won't matter. You put it any way you want it. There's that. Now, the face looks pretty done. Peel all that off. And then this goes about right here. Just like that. What's missing? His gobbler. So we take the gobbler, turkey gobble gobble. We peel that off. Oh, that's a little hard to get off. Peel it a little better. And we'll put it like this. What do you think? About like right there. There's a turkey gobbler. How's it looking so far? Now, we have all of these. There are two black and white ones for the feathers, and let's do them first. You see these little dots? We just peel it and peel it off. This will take you a little bit of time, but it doesn't matter. And this one, put it on the back, and let's put a feather about right there. And look, everything's just sticking, and you don't need any glue. And let's do one more. We'll peel this off, and we'll put his other feather on. And we're going to put this one here. Now, you need these to put on the top, and you can put them in any color and in any order that you want to. I better have an orange one here. And this is the way they're going to go, okay? You can put them any way you want. And what you do is, here's your little dots. Peel them off. Peel it off. Put it right there. And stick it on as a feather. And you just keep doing that and working through each one of these until you have all of your feathers on. Now, when you do that, your turkey's going to be all finished. And so while I'm finishing my turkey, I'll tell you a little something. I have a worksheet for you to do. It'll keep your skills sharp. And this one is all about encoding, and you can read it and do it in your spare time, and just keep your mind working. And every day, just do a little something to keep your mind sharp and your skills sharp. And if you turn it over on the back, look at that. It's just a lot of math practice. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. You just can do some counting and some problem solving. And this is just the fun thing to do. Oh, I can't get that one out. Okay, we just keep going. And you just keep sticking those on there. And sticking them on here. How many more? We have one left. And guess what? He's kind of stuck. He doesn't want to come out. So I'm going to have to go this way and pop him out like that. Be careful, this is all sticky stuff. It's sticky. Whoops. Get him peeled. And your very last feather is here. Now, this is called a doorknob hanger. Pulling off of here. And you can put this on your doorknob like this. And you can look at him. Or you could put him someplace else. You could put him on your Thanksgiving table. Or you could put him in any room you want. You could even hang him up. And there's your doorknob hanger. Gobble, gobble. Thanks, guys. Bye.